Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to pay monthly with Afterpay in 2025. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows you to buy now and pay later, with the option to split your purchase into monthly installments. To get started, you will need to create an Afterpay account. You can do this by visiting the Afterpay website or by downloading the Afterpay app on your mobile device. Once you have created your account, you will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to add a payment method, such as a credit or debit card. After you have set up your account, you can start shopping with Afterpay at participating retailers. When you are ready to make a purchase, simply select Afterpay as your payment method at checkout. You will then be prompted to log into your Afterpay account and confirm your payment schedule. Afterpay allows you to split your purchase into monthly installments, with no interest or fees if you pay on time. The payment schedule will depend on the retailer and the amount of your purchase. For example, if you make a purchase of $100, you may be required to pay $25 every 2 weeks for 4 payments. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. Afterpay will send you reminders before each payment is due, and you can also log into your account to check your payment schedule. If you are having trouble making a payment, you can contact Afterpay customer support for assistance. To manage your Afterpay account, you can log into the Afterpay website or app. From here, you can view your payment history, check your upcoming payments, and update your payment method. You can also track your spending and stay on top of your finances. In conclusion, paying monthly with Afterpay is a convenient and flexible way to shop now and pay later. By following these steps and making your payments on time, you can enjoy the benefits of Afterpay without incurring any additional fees. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your Afterpay account and to reach out to customer support if you have any questions or concerns.